Hello again in the fourth part of our tutorial. In this one we are going to go back a little bit to the volunteers list and the filter that applies to it. When you first open up this volunteers list, it will show up all the volunteers that are in your database. In here you have a button that maybe you will have to use a little bit more in the beginning before your word form applications will start arriving. So for now you will have to put in all your volunteers, so to speak, on foot. You will click add new applicant here and a new blank record will appear and you will fill in all the data here yourself. As I say, later this process will be much quicker and easier because you will be importing ready filled Word forms with this import volunteer button. But for now, just for you to know, add new applicant here and you will have a new record to fill in. We will close it now and go back to the list. Your volunteers are ordered here in the order of appearance. So the last one that you entered any records for will be on the top. If you want to order them any other way, you can click in a column by which you want to sort. Let's say that we want to make an alphabetical sort by family name. You click inside family name column, go up here into A to Z sort, click on it, and you see the sort is applied. If you want to go back from it, you will use undo sort button like this and we have a normal sort again. If you want to look for a specific volunteer by some word, by a given name or by family name or by organization they work in or by any other word that you have here, you will use the find function. This is the same find function that you normally use in Word or in Excel sheet, so I'm sure that you are very familiar with it. Let's try and find Leona inside a given name column, and we want to find Leona as a whole field, not part of the field. Find next, and Leona will be highlighted. So this is the simple search for one word, but in most of the cases you would need a little bit more powerful tool. So let's say that you want to find volunteers that are free Monday mornings, that want to be language mentors in Leicester, in let's say this word, search. We have nobody who wants to be language mentor there. How about language trainer? We do have one. So we have one candidate. If you want to go back to the full list of volunteers, you will simply clear your filter. You see all of these choices that you made up here are now gone and you have again your full list of volunteers. So you can play with this filter once you will have lots of volunteers here and try to find them according to all of these criteria you put in the filter. Another use when you will be using this filter a lot will be when allocating people to the trainings. So let's say that you have upcoming language trainer course in Birmingham and you need people that are course ready and you want to allocate them to the training. So first you will search for them. You have two. How do you proceed? When you have filtered your course ready wannabe language trainers in Birmingham, you will select them. So I guess that you will always have 20 to 30 candidates. So instead of clicking on your own through all long 30 persons list, you don't have to do it. You filter the people and you say select all filtered, and the tick boxes will be automatically applied. If for any reason you made some mistake, you can always clear it. So push clear all and the tick boxes are gone. Select all filtered again, and then go to the last button, Include Selected in Training. This little window will open up. You will choose training. Where do you want to allocate them? So we want to allocate them to Volunteer English Language Training Program in Birmingham in August. Choose the training and push Include Volunteers button. Volunteers included in training. When you go to this training course, you will see that these volunteers are already here in this table. In the next stage of our tutorial, I will show you what can you do here in the courses form. So this is it for now. Thank you. See you in the next part.